Sup, it's your boy City Pete. I'm out here as a performance artist, improv, comedy. Really love to freestyle rap, write, spend time in the booth, and I'm just excited about the true era theme of this. We'll see what happens.
What's up, man? It's your boy Lil Dizzy, came all the way out here to Master. Check in with True Era. Make sure you follow me everywhere. L-U-D-I-Z-Z-Y, Hartford, Connecticut. Let's go.
What's going on, y'all? It's Vid the Visionary here. Artist, visual artist, music artist. We out here helping to put together this Tru-Spittas Cypher for True Era. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be real dope. We got a lot of fire MCs. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Let's get it.
Heavy, come on, man.
Yeah, man.
Come on, man. Let me
Shout out to the host, Marquise, from Mind Over Marquise podcast. Check him out every week, every month. Whenever he's on, check him out. On podcast, Mind of Marquise podcast. Check him out. Big shout out to Intellectual Property, Clothing Company, IPC. The host Marquise, get familiar. This is Tru-Spittas Heavy. Shout out to Gio Da Vinci, Vid the Visionary, City P, Burn Herm, Lou Dizzy from CT came down here.
Wes. Who else? Who else? We got
Wes
everybody.
is in the building, you know what I mean? You know the vibes.
Shout everybody.
Shout out to Tori and Corey on the
Make sure we
visuals,
don't leave
Truera
nobody
Media
out,
Group.
because everybody did their thing. Yeah. Nobody's getting sent to the G League today. Nobody's going to the G League today. I think we about to extend a couple motherfuckers' contracts, though. What you think, Hev?
You already know, man. Tru-Spittas, get familiar. This is on top of our city. You know what I mean? We on top of our city.